Whether you're in the middle of sending damage letters to residents or drafting emails to invite students to participate in summer orientation activities, you've likely come across the need to personalize your messaging. The first thing that might come to mind is mail merge. And the second thing that comes to mind is probably, how the heck do I do that again? Well, folks, this is the video where we teach you how to use mail merge, so let's jump right in. When you're wanting to send physical letters to individuals, there are a few different decisions you'll want to make before even writing the letter you wish to send. The first decision you'll need to make is whether you'll be printing using your department's letterhead. In most cases, you will be, simply due to the official nature of the letter. So the next step is determining whether it will be an electronic or printed version of your department's letterhead. That'll help you determine how much space you should leave at the top and bottom of your letter. Next, you'll want to identify what unique information you'll need about each recipient you'll be sending the letter to. This might include their name, address, room number, damage type, damage cost, date of attendance, or any other piece of unique information. You'll notice in our sample damage letter here, we have a few different words bolded and in all caps. These are the unique pieces of information we would need for each resident being charged damages. We recommend creating your letter using this bolding strategy, as it'll help you easily spot what items need to be replaced once you start mail merging. The process of mail merging begins by first going to the Mailings tab, then left-clicking the Start Mail Merge button, and in the pop-up box, you'll want to click the step-by-step Mail Merge wizard, which will cause Microsoft Word to launch a 6-step setup process. Step 1 will ask how you intend to use this document. In our experience, the most common choices here are letters, email messages, and labels. We're going to go ahead and select letters in our case, followed by clicking the next button below. Step 2 asks whether we have a document template we would like to use. Since we wrote ours out already, we're going to go ahead and select the Use the Current Document link, and then hit Next. Step 3 asks us to select a recipient list. This is where most people get a little nervous about doing things right. What you'll want to do is go ahead and take a deep breath. Then, open up an Excel document. In your Excel document, you'll want to make headers that are named after the bolded and capitalized words that you used in the Word document. Once you've created those headers, input the appropriate data and save your document. Now go ahead and close your spreadsheet and head back into your Word document to complete the last 3 steps. Go ahead and select the Browse link to find and select your newly created spreadsheet. Once you've done so, a dialog box will pop up asking you to select which tab from your spreadsheet you would like to use as the source of your recipient's information. Since we only have one tab, we're only going to have one option. Before clicking OK, ensure the box titled First Row of Data Contains Column Headers is selected. You'll now be given the option to deselect any recipients you do not want to receive the letters you're making. In our case, we want everyone to receive them, so we'll leave all the boxes checked before clicking OK. Now we can head into step number 4, writing your letter. In this step, you'll want to start by selecting and deleting your first bolded word. In our case, this is charge date. Once it's deleted, we'll go ahead and select More Items from our sidebar, followed by selecting Charge Date and hitting Insert. This is going to place a holder in your document for the data in your table associated with charge date. You'll want to follow this same process to replace each of your bolded words in your document. Once you're done with this process, hit Next to preview your letters. You should now be able to cycle through each of your recipients by clicking the left or right arrows next to Recipient on your sidebar. If you're satisfied with the way your data is being displayed, go ahead and proceed to step 6, where you can complete the merge. In this step, you're given 2 options, print or edit individual letters. Since we've already input each recipient's unique information using our spreadsheet, we can just hit print. Select all records and then hit OK. From there, find your printer and you should be all set. Don't forget to put letterhead paper into the printer if you haven't done that already. We can't tell you how many times we've made that mistake. Alright folks, that's how you do mail merge. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, help us out by hitting the thumbs up icon below. Your engagement helps us know we're providing info that makes a difference for you professionally. If you'd like to continue to get hands-on tips and tricks to make you a better professional, we encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Help us reach our goal of 500 subscribers by the end of May. We also hope you'll join us on social media throughout the week at HandsOn HigherEd, where we cover topics like wellness, tech tips, and others that we hope will keep you inspired to put your best foot forward every day. Until next time, friends.